Welcome back to my channel Hussnain Education. Today we discuss about the proteins. The proteins are extremely complicated molecules and are nitrogenous compound made up of a variable number of amino acids joined to each other by specific type of covalent bond called peptide bond or peptide linkage. Peptide bond a molecule consisting of two or more amino acids linked by bond between the amino group negative NH and carboxyl group negative CO. This bond is known as a peptide bond, or simple we can say that protein are polymers of amino acids. Polymers of Polymer are natural or artificial substance natural substance made from many small molecules. General formula of amino acids. This is the general formula of amino acid. Function of proteins. Protein is termed the building block of the body. It is called this because protein is vital in the maintenance of body tissue, including development and repair. Protein is a major source of energy. Protein is involved in the creation of some hormones. Enzymes are proteins that increase the rate of chemical reactions in the body. Protein is a major element in transportation of certain molecules. For example, hemoglobin is a protein that transports oxygen through the body. Protein is also sometimes used to store certain molecules. Protein forms antibodies that help prevent infection, illness, and disease. Many of the hormones which regulate the chemicals and other process of body are also protein in nature. Plasma protein take part in blood coagulation and transport of substances such as hormones, drugs, metal like iron and copper. They perform hereditary transmission by nucleoproteins of the cell nucleus. Structure of proteins. Each type of protein contain a specific number of amino acids. Different kinds of proteins have different shapes are related to their particular function in the processes. Proteins molecules have different level of structure. Polypeptide, a molecule consisting of three or more amino acids linked together by peptide bond, is called polypeptide or polypeptide chain. Peptide bond, a molecule consisting of two or more amino acids linked by bond between the amino group negative NH and carboxyl group negative CO. This bond is known as peptide bond. Primary structure of proteins. A linear sequence of amino acids is called primary structure. In it, amino group NH2 is on left side and carboxyl group COOH is on right side. Secondary structure. The folding of the polypeptide change into a specific coiled structure held together by hydrogen bond is called secondary structure. Tertiary structure. The tertiary structure of a protein means it's over all three-dimensional shape. 3D complex secondary structure will take on three-dimensional structure in which three is folding, looping, and binding of chain, including all of its secondary structure. The final shape may be a globe or an irregular shape. Now I am showing you the again general formula of amino acid.